Here's how we cut the leather. With the pattern on top. With the ruler on top of the pattern. Or checking with the pattern and cutting by the ruler. When arranging multiple patterns on a single sheet of leather, the end cutting point is important for the next piece cutting. If your end cutting point is over than the pattern, it may affect the next pattern position and ends up rearrange them again. Trim the corners into small angled pieces to create smooth, rounded edges. Placing weight over the pattern helps secure its position, but it doesn't resist the cutting pressure on the leather. So, ensure firm pressure during cutting and always double-check the position of the next placed patterns to avoid accidental cuts. As you can see, with this pattern length, we better use ruler on top of the pattern to get the straight cuts. At the end point, finish the cutting with back side of the knife to prevent not to go over the pattern and cause the damage for other leather area. For patterns with long length or straight lines and the exact width is required, only use a ruler for precise measurement. Trim one side first. Measure the width with a small ruler for all the way. Put some weight on top of the ruler, but hand press the ruler consistently while cutting is a must.